Aqila, when you go to school, do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, I also have best friends. That means for BFF, best friends forever.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome to the Kids World. I'm Ananda Nayla, and this is
Aqila.
So today we will talk about the children's world. So Aqila, because we are children's, right? So we have to know how a children is.
Because we're children now.
And we're always having so much fun because all of the children like to be fun, happy, and too much playing, right?
Especially for me.
Yeah.
Playing games.
So this is my sister, Aqila. She is so funny. She likes to make so many jokes and like to be super, super funny. And for me, myself, I don't really like to do too much funny stuff. I just like to do something creative actually for me and also my sister there. So Aqila, because you're a children, you know what a children likes to do than playing.
Playing games.
Yeah, now so many children like to play games in their phone because they don't want to read or learn. Is it right?
Yeah.
It's so many children who likes to do like that. Especially for me.
And me.
Yeah. So if us at home, we like to play, but we live at the shop. We're at the shop. We like help our dad there. And when people buy, we always help them, right?
And give free magazine.
Yeah, free magazine. And also, my dad, he likes to write, and his name is Tabrani Yunis. And my mother name is Ida Murshida. And my dad, he have published 2 types of magazine. One is Potret magazine, and one more is Anak
Children's magazine.
And also, we usually make videos also, right?
Yeah, like playing games and more.
We like to make we like also to watch people, and then when we see people, we want like, Aqila, let's make it, right?
We get inspired by watching those videos.
Like, whoa, that looks so cool. I really want to try it, right?
Like challenges and more. Yeah.
But for me, I really like to do shopping, and actually, I have write in Anak Cerdas magazine last time, but now I don't know why somehow I don't want to write anymore. But Aqila, she likes to write in a paper, right? And she likes to do math also.
And reading.
Yeah. For me, when I was a kid, I always make a video in my YouTube that I read about in the children's encyclopedia book. But Aqila, last time she was still a kid, so she cannot read yet, right?
Don't say about that.
Yeah. And also,
but wait. You used to play Roblox when you were little.
Yeah, when we were kids, we always like to play so many games. Even when I was a baby, and not a baby. I mean, like when I was 4 or 5 years old, I saw. Remember that video?
Oh yeah.
When you were still a kid sleeping like that, and then I was like, chicken. Yeah, that's usually when we saw that on my dad's on his phone, and then we saw, it's so funny. I said, chicken. And Aqila, when you go to school, do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, I also have best friends. That means for BFF, best friends forever.
Who are your best friend names?
Corey, Rhoda, Nadia, and more.
Wow, you have a lot of best friends. I don't even have one. So actually, when we were at the shop, we help our dad also when there's customers who's shopping there. And also, Aqila, she likes to see, she also really, really like to help people. Like when there's people, hello, and then Aqila, what do you want to buy? Like that. She just keeps saying like, what do you want to buy? And then
for me,
I just say like, what do you want to buy? And then I just sit down. If Aqila, she wake up and then she follow them. What are you finding? Oh, this. Okay, and then she explain about the stuff. And also when people didn't buy that yet. But Aqila, she get this. This is good for you. This is good for educational toys, right?
Yeah.
And for me myself, that usually to do like those stuff, it makes me shy. But Aqila is never shy.
I'm shy.
And also, at home, we always speak English, right?
Yeah, especially for our mom.
Yeah, our mom. We speak English a little bit with our mom.
Yeah.
But we always speak English a lot with our dad, right?
Dad and you.
Yeah. And we also have a little sister, right?
Oh yeah.
Her name is Arisha Ananda. She's still a baby. I think she's only 1 year old.
I think.
Yeah.
I forgot.
But we also teach her to speak English because we don't want her to speak Indonesian by herself.
Yes, and
so
he's getting better to walk.
Yeah, she can walk.
But we have to hold her son. Too bad, so sad.
And also, maybe when she grow up, she will like to do like art stuff too.
Yeah.
Like what children like to do. Because children like to play. If a kids, they always do like playing. If for boys, right, they like to play ball, soccer, like that.
Yeah.
And for girls, Barbie dolls.
Eating candy.
That's you. She likes to eat so many candies until her teeth is ugly.
My bad.
And for me, I like candies, but not all every day. I just like to eat something spicy. That's my favorite.
Sometimes I force my sister to have some, so I run away and I blame my sister, not me.
And also that when we're at the shop, sometimes only when I was a kid, I always write. I think last year I always write every day.
Yeah.
But now suddenly, I don't know why.
You're getting lazy for it.
Yeah, I don't know why. When I keep growing up, because children, when they grow up, they get lazier sometimes.
Now you're doing TikTok now.
Yeah, I just like to watch on my phones like that
TikTok
sometimes.
and playing games.
Yeah, and she really likes to play games a lot.
But I study first before I use it.
Every day she study first, and then she use the gadgets.
But sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. If for me, sometimes I only read.
Not sometimes, every day.
Yeah, and also Aqila, when you're at school, does your friend likes to play with you?
Of course, every day.
What do you play at school?
Running more. Chasing boys.
For me, when I was at school, usually I like to play. And also at my school, there are so many snacks, so I really need to have a lot of money for buying it.
Okay, but I used to have, I was hungry and sometimes I'd be a zombie if I go to the kitchen.
So, do you like your school?
Yes!
Why do you like it?
Fun!
And for me also, I like my school.
But why? You don't have any friends.
Sadly. And you don't have a friend either.
I have!
Oh, she have a friend.
A lot.
And also, that when we're at the shop, when there are new toys, at our shop, there are so many educational toys, right, Aqila?
Especially for me, I want to buy it, but my dad doesn't love me. I buy those toys, but God.
Aqila really likes toys because it's children. Children likes toys, right?
Yes. But I want more toys because I want to make it lost.
Oh my God.
Yay!
And also, Aqila, you're a children still, right?
Yeah.
So what do you know about children?
Crazy when they play games.
Oh yeah. So actually, for me, myself, I'm also still a children, but I like to watch YouTubes like that, right? And then when we watch, it's so fun. I don't know why.
Sometimes they make us laugh until I fall down to my chair.
Yeah. And also, we also like to watch like DIYs and
Oh yeah, we like to make it stuff and cooking also, right?
like cooking. We like making like stuff like that, right?
So you guys have to do it then playing gadgets.
Yeah, it's better than playing gadgets every day.
You must have study. Study!
Do you study?
A little bit.
And for me, Aqila, when you eat, what kind of food do you like?
Sushi!
You never eat sushi. What do you like then? That
Pancakes.
pancakes?
Yes.
For me, I like donuts.
Donuts.
Donuts. And also I like pizza. And it's just for me, it's so nice to eat like those kind of food, right?
Yeah, I love extra mozzarella for me.
Yeah, because we are the cheese lovers. We really
And
love
of
cheese.
course, churros.
Churros is the best. And also, we really love cats. We are cats lover, right, Aqila?
Yeah, sometimes when I see cat, I get crazy now.
Yeah, because cat is so cute. It's like, oh, look at the whiskers.
So furry! I'm going to split if I see more cats.
Even our little sister, Arisha Anom, if she see cat, like, cat, right?
Yeah, but he cannot say anything yet.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah.
So every day when she see cat, like she really wants to touch the cat.
Yeah.
But I think cat is not very good for touching, right?
Yeah, but we do.
Yeah. So we always like to touch cats because we don't know why.
Sometimes I kiss cats to make a human.
Yeah. Cat is so fluffy, like a fluffy toy.
No, blanket.
Not blanket, like a doll, teddy bear.
Yeah, teddy bear.
Oh yeah, Aqila, what is your favorite animal?
Of course, unicorns bear everything. A lot.
Unicorns?
Yeah.
Unicorns are not real. For me, I like cats, bears, pandas, fox, tigers, and lion. If you? Oh yeah, you were that one.
I'm more like you also.
Do you like bugs?
Ladybugs.
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 For me, I like ladybugs, and then I also like what the name again?
Now you're gonna be a copycat soon.
And also I like one more insect. What is the name again?
Grasshopper.
No, I don't like grasshopper. What is the name? I forgot the name of the
Spider.
I'm phobia with spider. I hate spider because it looks like. So at our house,
Sometimes I scare my sister with spiders with fake
so at
spiders.
our house, that there are so many spiders because we live in the what?
Village.
Jungle village. Yeah, and there are so many spiders, right? But this spiders is not the small one. It's like no, that I will cry. It's this big, right? And we're like walking to the wall like that.
Yeah, but sometimes I scare Nayla for it. And then when I get dressed, I'm not scared actually now, but my sister is. And I say, Nayla! And then try to come in. And then,
Scared
and
like
then
that.
she cries.
I don't cry. I grown up. You cry.
Sometimes you cry yourself.
No. You.
No, you. Alright. What else?
So, Aqila, when you're at the shop, is there stuff that you like there?
A lot. You cannot beat me with toys.
What kind of toys do you like?
Bubble gun.
And what toys do you think is good for the children?
Children, I think they can find like Play-Doh so they can be creative and clay so they can make like humans like you.
I'm made of clay.
Yeah.
I'm not. If you cut me, that means I will break.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
And Aqila, do you have any question for me?
No.
Oh yeah, Aqila, what is your favorite color?
Rainbow.
Color.
I have no decision.
One favorite color.
But what color? Pink.
Pink. If me, I like purple. Purple.
Pink versus purple, huh?
I'm pink.
No.
Purple. She's pink.
Yes. We'll try the make food challenge. I'm pink. You're purple.
So actually, I'm a kid that I really want to have a lot of money from. I don't know. I just want to have a lot of money because
Yes.
I have so many things that I really want to buy. Like I told you guys that I really like to buy stuff like that.
Every day he always makes some. He makes some toys,
And
and
then
then he buy
sell.
from Shopee, and then no more money, and
And then she sell.
and then she sell. Yeah, and I ask my dad for money and buy snack. And
Aqila, she really likes to buy snack like candies, but our dad doesn't give us candy because her teeth is so ugly. And also that I don't, if I buy snack, that's actually for me, even I grow up already, because I'm still a children. But
hey, you're 13 years old.
no, I'm not.
So?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so here's 1 year old.
Yeah, I'm a baby.
So we cannot eat candy.
My mom.
Okay.
And also, I really like to eat ice cream because all of children likes to eat ice cream, right?
Yes, especially for me. I can get.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But sometimes I can eat 50 ice creams.
Yeah, but our dad doesn't give us to eat ice cream because it will broke our tooth like her tooth.
Your tooth is yellow. Now she doesn't show his teeth because he's shy.
And Aqila,
Wait. Actually, sometimes I eat ice cream and my dad doesn't give me, so I run away, bring the ice cream, Rubbery ice cream.
and also sometimes she likes to hide to eat ice cream.
Yeah.
And also every day we also go to the coffee shop to drink coffee with our dad, right?
Ew, you don't drink coffee.
Yeah, but something else.
I drink lemon tea.
I also drink lemon tea and Milo.
Hey, pick one.
Pick one.
You
I
pick
pick
one.
two.
No.
And Aqila, what is your favorite food in the coffee shop?
Jelly donuts. Jelly donut.
Kebab.
You like satay.
I like kebab.
No, I like kebab. You like satay. I like donut.
I like kebab.
I like you noodles.
Huh?
My bad. I fell. So what were we talking?
Hey, Aqila. Also, I forgot to ask you, cause I'm talking a lot with Aqila, cause she's still really children.
No, I'm 10 years old. Oh yeah.
Children.
I'm not 11.
Yes.
Too bad, so sad.
Oh yeah, Aqila. When you grow up, do you have any dream to be?
A queen.
She's going to be a queen. I hope
And
she's not a queen.
A cooker. How dare you? And I'm gonna be everything. Huh.
So when she's a kid, she always say that I want to be a chef and a singer. And I was thinking when I was a kid that Aqila wants to be a chef, so she's like a cooking, but she's singing, but everybody's watching her like an order for you, like that. Because probably there was like that, right?
No!
Probably.
Mamma mia! I think it's gonna be broken camera soon.
And Aqila, do you have any question for me?
No, but do you have jokes?
Yep. Let me ask you something. What do you call a daddy balloon when it's disappear?
Dari Papa?
Nope.
What?
Pop.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. But now, is there a fishy one?
Okay. Where do the fish go to the ATM?
Where?
At the riverbank.
Good joke. Oh yeah, you can also listen to that in
Dun 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 dun. Nayla swirl. Right? Why suddenly?
Maybe okay. Don't do that. I don't know what to do now.
And Aqila, when you were a kid, right? What is your favorite thing to do?
Jumping on the trampoline and getting hurt.
Oh yeah, so every day when we were a kid, we liked to go to the Amazon like that, right? Our dad always put
Oh
us
yeah.
there, and we really like to play there, right?
But the most thing I like to go to Blumpadam.
Yeah, we like to.
I like to flip and I want to be hurt.
You want
But
to be hurt?
sometimes I fall in the grass and then no one helped me.
Oh, poor baby.
But I accident. It's not an accident. And to make everybody wait for me and then I run. Bye bye.
You run. Ah, wait for me.
Yeah, but why are you always fall?
So Aqila, when you're at school, right?
Yeah?
When your friend asks you, how do you speak English?
Of course, it's easy. My dad taught me when I was little.
Is it true? When you were how old?
1.
If for me, my dad teach me when I was still a baby, not 1 year.
Okay.
And Aqila, what is your favorite things when you play with your friends?
Playing monster hide and seek.
What is monster hide and seek?
First, the monster has to count and then we have to hide.
Is the monster real monster or your friend?
Fake.
Your friend, right?
Yeah.
So how to do it? When you close your eyes.
We have to hide by a carpet.
Huh?
We have to hide the carpet.
Oh.
And then, if the monster get you, we have to do a dare or something not good. But it was like that.
If me, when I was at the mosque, right? Last time when I was going at the mosque, when it's break time.
Sometimes I use my friend to be a swing.
How?
I get a rope, and then my
Your friend hold it.
my big friend hold it, and then hey guys, can you come here? Can you hold this? And then I hold the other one, and then wee. People was very tired, so I hit my butt.
Aqila, do you have any other question for me?
No.
Okay, so I want also to ask you that what they call again when you're with your mom. Yeah, my mom also.
We have our own moms. One mom.
One mom, my mom.
My mom.
Yeah, and Aqila, when you're at the shop, what other things do you like to do?
Yeah, Zoe. Buy snacks, play games, ride a bicycle, watching TV, more.
Yeah, for me, that I like to pack in orders because I have.
Watching TikTok.
Yeah, and also I have a shop there at Shopee, and the name is Strawberry Bun 23. If you want to try to shop there, and also. Yesterday I got my first customer, and it's so weird, that she bought
A piggy fan.
no, she bought stickers that's only 1,000, but the cost for driving the what they call again? Yeah, for the
Well, for the trips.
yeah, for the driver like that shipping, it's cost 24,000. She will to pay that. She only bought 1,000, and for the shipping it's only 24,000. Oh my god, it's like for me like this
Pretty
is-
good.
And also, we also have our own YouTube, right, Aqila?
Oh yeah, but wait. After that, I mean, I let you steal some of your money, so that's why.
What do you do?
Robbery bank.
Our YouTube name is Anak Cerdas
Magazine.
And we really want, if you can help us get until
100.
million subscriber, we will be so happy. Please give me that
Because we want to use some gold.
play button.
Hmm?
Cause
Play button. Yes.
yeah, cause we really need to have that. I don't know why, but since I was a kid, that I saw people like
Yeah. Me too.
I saw people who have the play button. It's like making me, wow, can I have this? I really want to try to have this.
But you cannot talk to YouTube. You can just talk into a computer because the computer's not real. You cannot go inside like, oh, there's a picture. I want to go inside. Boom. You can't do that.
Yeah, I know. And Aqila, what do you like to play? Cause you're a kid.
Games.
What kind of games?
Don't tell me. Oh,
For me, I don't like really games that much. I just like
hey,
to,
but you download games. You download TikTok.
yeah, listen to the games.
You
It's games.
play running games.
Aqila, what is your what they call your dream house? What type is your dream house?
Don't tell me. It's a lot. I'm gonna get
What is your favorite color if on a house?
rainbow.
How rainbow?
First, inside is red, and the bedroom is orange, and then all of the colors of the rainbow.
What? Inside is red? It will be so dark, and then when you turn off the light, like you never see anything.
Okay. You know what? You don't understand. Okay, you're still a baby. Okay.
If
It's true, you're still a
if me,
baby.
I really like all white, outside white, inside white, but inside there will be like a bit creamy.
But how? You don't like if I turn all the lights off, you scream and you're scared and you cry.
No.
Yes. Okay, guys, listen to me. I'm for real, and he's fake. So I can do this. I literally hit myself now. And
So Aqila, what do you know about me?
I don't like using glasses.
Why?
And you need to put more lotion because
Aqila, wait.
your legs are so. Okay, guys.
And also, what they could name?
But why do you have to like this every day? Yeah. I feel nervous.
Hey, Aqila, do you like to draw? What is your favorite thing to draw?
Human being, cartoons.
Yeah, so Aqila likes to watch cartoons and then she writes. No, she draw, right?
Yeah.
Because like,
But sometimes Nayla doesn't get me to watch violence.
why violence? You're still a kid.
I'm not. I'm 10.
You're still a kid.
Mama. Mama Rintos.
Aqila, because you're also still a kid, like I said.
No. I'm not kid.
You're a kid.
I'm 100 years old. I will die.
So you're a kid, right?
No.
And do you know, you're a classmate, but like class 1, right?
Yeah.
What do they like to do? Because they're children, right?
They following me. Sometimes when they're boys, I have to close my ears because they scream. Like this. Ah!
That's gonna be like, oh my god, this is so scary. And also, Aqila, do you like to play with our sister?
Yeah. Yeah, but sometimes they cry.
Yeah, our sister doesn't like with Aqila. She only likes with me and my dad.
Hey, how do you?
She doesn't like with you.
Baba. But sometimes he likes me. He likes to walk. Sometimes I sleep at 3 o'clock and my baby also. Yeah.
Your baby? You have a baby?
Yeah. I will show you in my future. Listen to the world.
And Aqila, do you have a dream like to make like a show or a game like that?
Yeah.
Like you make your own game and then like you make a video with it.
Yes.
We really love to try to make something new.
Of course.
But sometimes we like, oh, tomorrow let's do this. But sometimes we would somehow, okay.
No, because I was gonna tell you, but you're disturbed by TikTok. No.
Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below and share. And don't forget to check out our YouTube. The name is Acehimagecom. So yep. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.